What does the path /registry /a/ in Sysinternals Procmon log mean? I use Sysinternals Procmon utility to monitor the registry access by some programs. Most log entries have the path property starting from a q/ or hklm/ that corresponds to the registry hives he_current_user and he_local_machine that can be seen using regedit. But some entries have the path starting from /registry /a/. Could you please explain what part of the registry it is? Can I see it using regedit or some other utility? Can I access it programmatically? I am running Windows 8.1 Enterprise x64. Update: I've contacted Procmon developers and they pointed me to the following MSDN resources covering this question. Filtering registry operations on application hives. regedit function.
It is application hive, which can be seen in volatility by no name. Application hives are registry hives loaded by user mode applications to store application-specific state data. An application calls the regedit function to load an application hive. More info on this URL.
I need to answer to my own question and comments. To edit private hive, it should be loaded before. For Visual Studio, it can be made this way. This URL. To increase the isolation and resilience of Versus 2017, it uses now a private registry hive. Internally, Versus uses a redirection, and while for Versus extensions, which are DLLs, this is transparent, for external processes that are X's, this causes them not to work. To change values in the private registry hive by hand, you can use regedit.x to load a private hive. You need to select the key_users node and click the File and GT, Load Hive menu. You select the private registry.bin file, give a name to the hive. I entered V's 2017 private registry, and now you can see the 15.0_config key populated as usual. Note: use File and GT, unload hive when done. To change values in the private registry hive programmatically, you need either to build an extension for Versus, or if you want to use an external X, you need to use the regedit function, or avoid using the registry directly and use the external settings manager. See the section Change, Reduce Registry Impact and Breaking Changes in Visual Studio 2017 Extensibility. Do not forget to unload Hive and regedit before starting application using it.
/registry /a is a hidden registry hive for use by Windows Store apps, aka Metro-style apps.
What does the path /registry /a/ in Sysinternals Procmon log mean? Could you please explain what part of the registry it is? Can I see it using regedit or some other utility? Can I access it programmatically? I can't reproduce what you are seeing on my system, but I can tell you how you can find out what it is on yours. You can see a list of all registry hives that are currently mounted under any name, including system-wide hives, user hives for users that are currently logged on, and any hives loaded manually or by software, at the following registry key. It will show both the internal registry path and the path to the hive file, Figure 1. You can use this command to see which services are being hosted by the specific instance of scoast.x. I've used the PID 1240 that it was using at the time of your screenshot. Replace it with the current PID. Figure 1. Screenshot of registry editor with HiveList key highlighted, showing mounted registry hives.
If you want to support the channel, please subscribe.